Hi everyone, this is Kathy Grosskirth with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple, and today I am here to talk about exploring the App Center, which is the 6th video in my On the Path to ProAdvisor series. And so as you can see, we are in the Garcia Consulting realm, and we are still working in the Your Practice area of QuickBooks Online Accountant. And so I'm going to go ahead and click on the apps link here, which will take us to the App Center. Now, if you are not in your QuickBooks Online realm, you can access this same area by typing apps.com in your web browser, and that'll bring you to the same area. But a lot of times, if you are working within your realm, and especially if you have any clients connected where you want to explore apps and maybe get them connected to those apps, you'll probably want to access it through this portal here in your QBOA realm. So anyway, we are in here now. As you can see, we've got 3 tabs up at the top, and we see that we open up into the Find Apps area. There is a little video that you can watch that'll give you a little bit more of a deep dive than what I'm going to cover here. But basically, I'm just going to show you when you get ready to start browsing in here, some of the key areas to look for. You can actually start by searching for an app by name. You can try some popular searches such as these areas right here, or if you know of something that you might want to look at, then you can go ahead and do that in here. Let's say we wanted to look for Melio. And as you can see, that pops up in there. Then you can actually go here and click on this, and this will take you to the Melio area. And basically, when you go into one of the app areas, it provides you an overview. Sometimes they will provide you with a video that is very helpful, so you can see how that works. You can click on the Show More button to read a little bit more about what this app is and what it does. Here's the tab for pricing, which you'll drop down to where the pricing area is. And you can also click on reviews to see what other users have had to say about this app, so that way you can understand what real users are experiencing when they use this app. If you want to find similar apps for this same type of function, then you can click on that where it'll bring up Bill and a few other ones. And then here's a FAQ area, and you can open these up to look at those. And if you wanted to get the app now, you can click on this button. We're not going to do that right now. I just wanted you to see from that search that you could actually access the apps by searching for that. You can also go over here and browse by category. So say that you wanted to look at managing data, or managing workforce, or getting paid, or manage business. And if you click on any of these drop downs, here's a real popular one, inventory management, because one of the things that I recommend for people who are using QuickBooks Online and want to use some other kind of tracking system other than FIFO, then you might need an outside app to do that. Once you click on that, then you can see these various providers here that are listed, and these are not really in any certain order. Right now it looks like they are sorted by top rated. So if you wanted to go ahead and sort by either name or newest, you can do that. But if you wanted to look at the 5-star ratings as opposed to anything else, that will filter those out. And by the way, these ratings are provided by Intuit. They've had people within their app developers area look at the different apps and try them out, and they are vetted very thoroughly before they're even listed on apps.com. So you can be assured that these apps are quality apps and that they work really well with QuickBooks Online. So if you wanted to browse additional categories, you can do that from here. Or if you wanted to look at one of these apps, let's go ahead and click on this one for SIFT analysis, and it'll do the same thing that it did for that Melio earlier. Opens it up, and you can go ahead and click on Show More to find out more details. You can click on pricing. It'll skip down to the pricing area, reviews, similar apps that might do the same type of thing, and then the FAQs area, and then you can get the app now if you wanted to. Okay, so we're going to go back to the home page, and from that home page you can see that they have an area called Our Featured Collections. And if you click on that, then you can actually look at what the popular apps are and look at those. And these are not really sorted by any certain way, probably more so by the ratings that they have. Like these are 5-star rating, these are, and these are ratings by different people who have used them. Going back to the home page, and that's similar for these editors picks, and there's even a section called free apps. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the free apps because there might be some free apps that you might want to go ahead and consider adding to your QuickBooks Online file or your client's files to manage certain things. There's not that many of them, of course, but you never know, one of these free apps might do the trick for you. And so now we have the area down below where we can look at premium apps, which are what they call deeply integrated apps and add-ons for QuickBooks Online Advanced. Okay. And then there's also an area called essential apps for your clients. And you can actually scroll through this left and right to do some more looking. So there's various means to search for what you need. And then again, these are popular apps for accounting firms. So if you're running an accounting firm, these apps might be something that you might be interested in working with as well. But these are all various means of searching to find the apps that might do the job that you need or that your client needs. So speaking of clients, we're going to go ahead and click on the second tab here. This is the Client App Center. Okay, and so what this does is lists all your clients and any apps that might be connected. This is also a good area to see whether or not their subscription has expired or not. So if you're not sure whether or not their subscription has expired or not, then you can actually click on the Client Apps area under the Apps area here to see that. Any apps that are connected or any clients that have apps that are connected, you can see that here. This client, Rock Castle Construction, has 2 apps connected. If you click on this right here, you can see a little summary for online backup and restore. And you can also see when that was connected, whether it was connected by yourself or others, and the category, and a few other details that might be helpful, including online support if you need that information right there. So same thing with this QuickBooks Time, and QuickBooks Time is actually an Intuit product. And so this also, and we have a show more button that gives you a little bit more detail, also shows you the date that it was connected. It was connected by others, and of course this is to track time, and a few other details that's important, as well as online support and a phone number that you can call as well. So anyway, that's the client apps area, and if you have any apps connected to your firm, you can click on this area and you can see which apps were added by your firm, or if another user added to your firm. Okay, and that's what these are right here. And you have the option to add another app or to launch, support, rate, or disconnect any of these. Okay. Well, actually you do if you added them to there. Just so you'll know, master admins of a QuickBooks file, like some of your clients, if they're master admins, they can add apps to the firm, but you can also add apps to firms that you have those controls over. So, and in some firms you can't. So you'll readily see whether or not you can add apps to certain firms or not, based on your credentialing. So anyway, I'm going to go back to the Find Apps tab, which is the main page of the App Center. And this is basically all I have to show you today. I hope this helps you. Y'all have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care, and we will see you soon. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and share it with others. My goal is to publish at least 1 new video per week on QuickBooks desktop or online topics, the occasional motivational video, and a few surprises thrown in here and there. I would love to talk to you about how to help you optimize your knowledge and usage of QuickBooks desktop or online. My Calendly link is in the slide. Please use that to reach out to me to schedule a free 45-minute initial consult. I would love to talk to you about your QuickBooks desktop or online training needs. Again, have a wonderful day, and until next time, we'll see you soon. Take care.